What's up, guys? Welcome back to your favorite channel. Today we're making a delicious roasted tomatillo guacamole. I'm gonna start by just taking the cores out of these tomatillos. I'm going to drizzle these with a little oil and roast them in the air fryer today, just to get them nice and blistered and get some roasty flavor for our guacamole. Sometimes I make a traditional guacamole, but this is a nice treat. Tomatillos are so flavorful. You can roast these in the oven as well on 400 degrees for about 20 minutes until they blister, but the air fryer is only going to take about 10 minutes, so I am being lazy, and that's fine. I'm separating a few cloves of garlic, but I'm going to leave them in their skin so they don't burn. For the jalapeno, try not to cut your fingers off, and just take the seeds out so it's not overly spicy. If you like extreme spice, go ahead and leave them in, but I'm not a nutcase, so we're gonna go ahead and take those out. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees, and we're just gonna add all our veggies in. Make sure to leave the skin on your garlic so it doesn't burn. Like I said, I'm gonna drizzle it with a little oil and just make sure everything gets nice and coated. And I'm gonna roast this for about 10 minutes. Now on to our avocados. You can see these avocados are perfect for guac because they are not firm to the touch. Your finger kind of indents on them, but they're not mushy. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these in half. Perfect. So this is how I remove the avocado pit. Super easy, but just be careful. Don't be having slippery hands. Don't be moving all wild. One firm whapa into that pit and take it out. Now I'm gonna scoop out all the guts, all the good stuff, and plop it right in my bowl. If it's too hard to scoop, your avocado is not ready. Now I'm gonna add some lime juice because the lime juice keeps it from getting brown. And it also adds a delicious flavor, obviously, but I like to add this first. You can use a potato masher also, but I'm just using a whisk. My veggies are done roasting. They smell amazing. I'm gonna remove the skin from my garlic now. It's super soft and it smells like everything good in the world. So now I'm gonna blend this all up and we're gonna fold it into our guac. And I'm using an immersion blender to blend this together. You can definitely throw it in a regular blender. I'm just being lazy. Immersion blenders are one of my favorite tools in the kitchen. So easy to just grab and blend anything into oblivion. This is delicious. It smells amazing. This is pretty much tomatillo salsa at this point, but I'm gonna cool it down before I fold it into my guac. Now I'm gonna get the rest of my veggies ready. I'm gonna give this red onion a little choppity chop chop. I'm gonna dice it pretty small because if you like big raw pieces of red onion, you're sick in the head, honestly. That is so nasty. So gonna dice it pretty small. The closer you make the lines together, the smaller your pieces will be. Be careful to not slice your fingers off. Always wash your cilantro off in a bowl of cold water. It's a very dirty herb, so I just like to swish it around and then rinse it and then roll it in some paper towel to dry it off. So after it's dry, I'm just gonna finely mince this up to add some delicious flavor to our guacamole. Now we can go ahead and add this to our avocado lime mixture. Stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. As you know, there is never any reason not to season. I got this delicious Chipotle blend from Savor Spice Co. Check out their Instagram. I'm going to drop the link below. They have amazing seasonings, Black owned, get with it or get lost. I'm just going to use a little salt and some chili lime seasoning from Trader Joe's. Yes, add some pepper in there. Okay, getting crazy. And just give that a nice little fold in there. Quality test. And you're done. Boom. This is so much guac, but I promise you it's going to be gone in 2 days because me and Will love guac. Feel free to cut this recipe in half or just invite some people you actually want to feed over. But don't invite them over if you don't want them to stay because they're going to love this. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you tell all your friends about it. I know you're liking, I know you're subscribing, and I will see you guys next week.